Del here. Previously, we've had these geodes, and we broke them up with a sledgehammer, or we tried first with the blunt end of an axe. And so this is out of several of them, we got only this one that had the sparkly stuff underneath. There's another part, and I'm being told that these things could be possibly used for jewelry. And so I'm going to try with the Dremel tool here and see if I can smooth out any of this stuff. I can adjust the speed if that's what's necessary. I'll try a higher speed. I think we're making a little bit of an improvement. You can see the dust here and there. Just happy I'm finally using this Dremel tool for something. It's been sitting there quite a while, and the battery held the charge, which is pretty impressive. Doing this for months and months and months on end. So I'm thinking that eventually I could probably get this to smooth out pretty good. It's not really that bad now, but I think for a piece of jewelry it would have to be kind of smoothed out really nice. Really exceptionally nice. There's also a certain smell to it that this dust is making. And I don't know what the plan is. It looks like there's a hole started here. And I don't know what the plan is for rest and for making this, because it's going to be kind of jagged over here. And I don't know if I smooth out this part of it, if it's going to stay apart or maybe chunk away or something.